right, so it's the end of the weekend right now. I did get a bunch done. I got this patch all welded in. I did the back corner that I hadn't done yesterday. That's all welded up. I got the floor pan. I got the floor pan in and welded up. I gotta do a little bit, more welding here and there, but that's in. I did run out of wire, so that is why I stopped welding, but I did get all that done. I also, this front has been hit before pretty good, but I did weld in a patch right there, and that's when I ran out of welding wire. So once I get some more, I will finish that up. And then I started sanding the side down. I ground out all that body filler. There's a good dent right there that I'll have to fix. And there's little dings and dents all over this, which I will, fix up. But I started sanding. I found 2 cracks back here where the bodywork is cracked. There was filler on it, but I'm gonna weld those up once I get some more wire. So I got that to do, and then just on to more sanding and fixing dents. This fender over here where it was hit, someone has put in a lot of body filler to make this, so this will probably be the most difficult one. I'm gonna have to test fit the fender a couple times and make sure everything fits the way it's supposed to, but I haven't found anything else weird. I did not start sanding the roof yet. I was going to start with that, but I just wanted to get this side done. So pretty good progress so far, and next time I come back, it'll just be doing more body work. Like I said, next time I'll be back, it'll just be more body work, more sanding, doing some filler work. I'll weld up those cracks. But so I'm happy with the way that this weekend went. There's still a lot more work to do, and as you can tell, there's a lot more body work to do and all that. So it should go pretty quick. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.